Hello guys, how you doing today? Today I'm gonna share with you how to backup WhatsApp messages. So in this case you have to go to your WhatsApp first. You have to click on the three dot icon above. Then go to settings. Go to chats. You can see here the chat backup option. Click on that. Then you can see the Google account. Click on that and set your mail. After that you can see here the backup cellular. Turn on it. If you want to include your videos, if you want to backup your videos too, then turn on this, include videos. Then click on backup. Please wait. It's restoring your message. Your backup is complete. Now uninstall this WhatsApp. Go to Play Store and install the WhatsApp again. Install complete. Now go to your WhatsApp. Click agree and continue. Give your phone number here. And wait for the confirmation message. Click it continue. Allow. This is important part. You have to click on the restore. If you click on the restore, then all your messages will be restored. Please wait until it's complete. Click on next. Set your name. You can see all of your messages is restored and your videos and files are restoring. So this is how backup the WhatsApp message. Thank you so much for watching the video.